Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. While you are here, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Also take a minute to check out some of our previous videos, and I am so proud to say that we have officially hit over 2,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. So in today's video, let's take a look at some retro style kitchens. Retro kitchens are hot right now, and I've come across so many of these really beautiful spaces, and I'm just really eager to share them with you if you can't resist good old-fashioned retro style. Now, if you live in a newer space, no worries, you can still achieve the retro look. One way is to start with a really colorful appliance and to build your color palette around it. One thing that you will hopefully notice while looking at these pictures, retro kitchens were colorful. I mean, the color, the patterns, there was so much going on. A lot of them are mid-century modern kitchens or mid-century kitchens, like really famous for metal cabinets and cottage style wooden cabinets, formica countertops and vintage appliances. So it is so easy to do this style in your home. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know down below in the comment section. always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.